Hi, I'm Dr. Caroline. I am a registered psychologist and a public speaker. And when I'm not here in the clinic room, my passion is bringing psychology out of the textbooks and into spaces where people can use it in their everyday lives. I am known for breaking down complex subjects and making them accessible and bringing practical tools that people can use immediately. So I have offered keynote speaking, webinars, workshops to corporates, but I also appear regularly on BBC Radio 1's Sunday evening show Life Hacks, where I break down all of the psychological information that people want in their day-to-day lives. So we talk about things like grief, burnout, resilience, how to hold boundaries, how to have difficult conversations. And these are the topics that I can bring to your events. So I'm really happy to work with you to make sure that what we are designing is bespoke, that it suits the needs of your audience, but that it also brings an engaging, fun element. So taking these topics seriously, but holding them lightly, I would say is my speciality. So if you are looking for a psychologist that enjoys weaving humour in, that can break things down, make them easy for your audience to understand, and bring practical solution-focused strategies that people can use immediately after your event, then please get in touch because I would love to discuss how I can support you.